Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox, and we're gonna unbox here, Smash Unbox, this Google Wi-Fi. Okay, so you saw my Google Mini Wi-Fi unboxing already and some of the setup. This time around, we're gonna dig deep into the Google Wi-Fi. Okay, first is for those who are thinking, what's the size of the box? It's actually a cube, and the size is about 5.5 inches cube. So if you need to, send it over, have it shipped, then that's a size reference. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. It says here Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi system by Google. Okay, obviously the Google logo and some marketing information here saying that home life uninterrupted. Okay, cool. And at the bottom there's more details. What's inside? So you're gonna have the router, the power adapter, the Ethernet cable, which is 1.8 meters long, which is that's a good length. Quick start guide, warranty. If you have one Wi-Fi router, then the range is 85 square meter. Kung dalawa or two, that will be 170. And if you're gonna use three Wi-Fi router, that's good for a space or a house or a condo, which is about 255 square meters. Wow, amazing. How does it work? Your first Google Wi-Fi point connects to your modem or router. So, one really has to be physically connected to the gateway or the modem. And then the rest of the Wi-Fi, you can put it strategically to any part of your place, your home, your condo. And you must download the Google Wi-Fi application. Okay, so it's AC 1200 router. So that's the speed of transfer, 1200 router. Wave 2 Wi-Fi, expandable mesh. Okay, so it has 2.5 and 5 gigahertz, which is good. Then TX beamforming. So basically, it just creates this range of Wi-Fi loops using those. Let's say if you have 2 or 3 Wi-Fi router. Okay, Bluetooth smart ready. Wow, okay, that's something else. So not only it's Wi-Fi, but it's also Bluetooth smart ready. Wired connectivity to 1 gigabit Ethernet port. So basically, one thing that is different from this one is that you only get 2 ports. One is going to the modem, and the other one is should you connect other devices. Okay, but if you have 2 of this, then basically the second one, which you're gonna place, any part of your house, then you have 2 ports there to take advantage of. Okay, so let's unbox it. All right, this is exciting. After this, I'll set this up. I'll create a video for that as well. I'm sure, especially now, most of us are just working from home, and smart devices are way to go. Right. Nice. Okay, let's smash that aside. Okay. There you go. So for the price, by the way, if you're gonna buy just one, it's about 129 US. But if you're gonna buy 3 mesh, it's actually cheaper. It's gonna be around 300 US. There you go. It's all white. You see the G for Google. How is that? Okay. I suppose that is some switch there, or power button. Then the bottom, right? So that is a QR code. This is what I'm saying. So basically, you have 2 ports only. If you only have one port goes to your modem. The other one goes to basically any device that you like. But then again, this is Wi-Fi router, so you can connect other devices through Wi-Fi. And looks like this is powered by a C-type connector. Okay, so nice. Let's put it there. Check the box still. Okay. Google. Okay, of course you're gonna get the manual there. Okay, the manuals. I think you're gonna see here. Okay, we just empty the box. Smash. Unbox it. Then obviously this is the power source. Alright, it's all white. And yes, it's actually C-type. C-type. And this is also then okay, it's 100 to 40 volts, so it's auto volts. That's good, so it won't be a problem. And the 1.8 meter Ethernet cable, nice. It's also tangle free. That's good. So this is basically what you're gonna get out of a Google Wi-Fi. Okay. Next video, we're gonna talk about how you set it up, how you configure it, and hopefully connect some of the Google Mini that we initially open. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe. This is another Smash Unbox video. Thank you.